Ipe upendo ipo halisi kwenye streets mitaani machizi uko flatmate kwenye kaya za mabao vile inafaa.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at creating surfaces on Civil 3D. So we're continuing with our project that we started on. We imported points and we created an alignment. And so this is how that looks like so far. So if you haven't watched any of the previous videos, to learn how to do this, you need to do that so that you can be able to catch up. So anyway, let's move on to today's lesson. So in order to create a surface, you're going to come here to surfaces. You're going to say create surface. We're going to name our surface. So MK1 to MK70 surface. And then you're going to say okay. As you can see, nothing is on your screen yet. So you're going to come to your tool space. In Prospector, come to surfaces, click this plus sign. This is your surface, remember? MK1 to MK70 surface. So you click the plus sign again, go to definition, click your plus sign, then go down to point groups, click that, and then right click and say add. So remember we created a point group when we were importing points. So you select your point group and then you say okay. So now your surface has been created. So the thing with surfaces is you want to try and make sure that your surface is as close to your alignment as possible. So this is our surface. So as we can see, at this part, it's quite close to the alignment, but as you move forward, especially where these curves are, it's not really quite there yet. So we need to be able to edit our surface so that we can be able to bring it closer to the alignment. So what you do is you click on your surface and then you're going to right click and then you're going to say edit surface style, and then we want to turn on our triangles right here, and then we're going to say okay. So now you have triangles. This will make it easier to edit your surface. So click on your surface once more and then come to edit surface, and then you're going to say delete line. So I'm going to do it practically so that you can get what I'm saying. So for instance, this part, it's quite far away, right? So I click this line, select the surface, and then you say enter. You see, the surface moves. So that's what you do. You want to play around with it until you get to a surface that's quite close to the alignment. I click one more time. We click here. So you have a little of that going on. There's probably a line here that you need to work on. There we go. You know? So you want to keep working at it until you get something that's a little bit more, I want to say, substantial. Yeah, there we go. So now our surface is closer to the alignment than it was before. As you can see, especially at like the cars, this is your alignment. So yeah, that's it. So that's basically how you create surfaces. If you have not watched any of the other videos, please be sure to do that. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And yeah, let's all learn together. Bye.